So you want to add automated crafting to your refined storage. Here's how you do it. Basically, you're going to need a pattern grid along with patterns. Patterns are crafted like so, and pattern grids are this, which is a grid and machine casing. Machine casing grid, you make the pattern grid. You can use JEI, or you can put it in by hand, and as long as you have patterns in here, it will remember that and save the pattern for you once you do that. So now I have a pattern for lime wool. What you will need now is called a crafter. Basic crafter is crafted like this. Some mods add extra crafter tiers such as netherite tiers, and that allows you to have even more space inside. See, it has 27 instead of the traditional 7. Yeah, that's a number. You throw that in there, and now if you go into your refined storage, you have to search for it. Sometimes it doesn't show up right away, but if you switch it to the display to only craftables, you'll see it right here, and then you can craft as many as you want. You can click and click and click, and it will tell you what you are missing and whether or not it can be crafted at the moment. Now, since I do not have any lime wool dye, any lime dye, it will not craft for me. But you can make another pattern for the lime dye, which will allow you to craft using, will automatically craft the dye that you need for the wool. Unfortunately, I do not actually have enough wool. So if I do one, it will show this, but if I do more than that, say a stack, it will craft 10 dye essence into lime dye and then craft that into lime wool. This applies to everything and can be used on several other objects such as furnaces, as long as you set it up in this orientation here. The pattern has to be facing downwards onto the top of the furnace, and I'm using an unobtainium furnace with a refinery upgrade, so that way it uses RF power and actually has an insane amount of operating room inside of it. Here are some netherite crafters with a bunch of other patterns that I've set up so far, and I disconnected them using cable. You can connect them using cable, and as long as they're all touching each other, it'll work, but you will need enough power to power all of them. At the moment, the netherite crafters are using 68 FE a tick. The normal crafter is only 6 FE a tick. And that's how you automate your refined storage auto crafting. Now, if you want to be able to see what you have inside your different crafters, you can make a crafting manager, which will show you all the crafters connected to your network, along with any chests that you have connected to your network currently. So you can see all your patterns here and whatever is in those chests. You can also make a crafting monitor, which will show you what is in the middle of being crafted. It has little tabs up here. They're spaced out and show you what's being crafted and what is crafting at the moment. Yeah, that's it.
All right, I want to take a quick second here to update you guys on what's going on exactly. So in this episode and the episode that I've recorded for next week or the week after, because I have to slow down my upload schedule because of work-related issues and having to work on my car now, because it's just kind of funky, I messed up my microphone for this one and next episode, so that's gonna suck. Other than that, hopefully I should be able to increase my upload schedule and actually start doing shorts again soon. Please, if you do actually watch these videos, leave a comment or at least leave a like. Comments would be great. I'd love to know what you guys are thinking about. That sounds sappy as heck.